Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can limit who can see your previous posts on Facebook. Now as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, log into your Facebook account and press up on the menu button. Then guys, press on settings. Under settings and privacy, press on settings right there. Then guys, scroll down here to audience and visibility. Then guys, under audience and visibility, make sure you press on posts right here. Then guys, you can see right here, limit who can see your past posts. Then guys, you press here on view, press there on view. Then guys, press on limit posts, press on limit posts. Then guys, press right here on limit past posts so that only your friends can view your past posts on Facebook. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.